All right, let's bring in lawyer and human rights activist Deji Adeyanju, who joins us live from our studio in Abuja. Mr. Adeyanju, I had my heart in my mouth, but thank God that you are here in one piece. So let's rush this if we can. You mentioned in a recent interview that you were not convinced anyone tried to arrest El-Rufai. But what I'm thinking is that if security agents told him to come with us without showing a warrant, is that lawful? And can the DSS lawfully seize a passport because someone is on a watch list?
So basically, there's what is in law, what is called arrest with warrant and arrest without warrant. For instance, if you are trying to commit a crime, the law presupposes that you can be arrested without warrant, or if there is reasonable suspicion to believe that you are about to commit a crime, even if you've not committed it, the law says you can be arrested without warrant. But there are certain offenses that you must be arrested with warrant. You have to show warrant of arrest. The warrant must be issued by a judge. Then you have to show it to the suspect before he is arrested. Because if the law is to say that, people can only be arrested with warrant, then people will commit crimes and nothing can be done. When you talk about arrest, many people think arrest is just restricted to security agencies arresting someone. Even you yourself, you who is a journalist, you can effect an arrest when it is aimed at preventing commission of a crime. Then you can now hand over the person who has been arrested. That is what is called citizen's arrest. Then there are people that have been empowered under the law to arrest people when they're about to commit crime or suspected to commit a crime. If somebody is stretching his hand to steal something, he has not stolen it, he's in the process of taking it, a justice of peace can arrest in a judge, a magistrate. There are people who have been designated under the law, under our various codified laws, who can arrest people. And citizens can also arrest. In as long as you do not keep the person in your custody when you have so arrested such a person, then the person can be handed over to the security agencies. That said, the Nasir El-Rufai's situation at the airport was very peculiar. The grounds for which someone's passport can be confiscated, there are only two. When the court has declared same. For instance, somebody standing trial for corruption, for any criminal act, for other crimes, even under the Cybercrime Act or any other act, or the Child Act, any codified law, the court can put as a condition precedent for the person to deposit his passport. His passport is thereby confiscated. Another situation is when someone is on a watch list. When the person wants to travel, either abroad or is coming into the country, the person's passport can be seized. In the meantime, the idea of seizing the passport is so that the person will not escape justice or flee.
All right.
So it can be temporary, it can be permanent, but in both cases, one thing that is peculiar is that you must get to declare somebody, to put somebody on a watch list, you must get a valid order of court. To do so, you must have sworn to an affidavit via ex parte and include the ingredients of the alleged infractions committed by the suspect.